Hi guys, RETROCENGO here. Today we're going to talk about the Guns N' Roses pinball machine and chipping issues. We have seen so many pictures with people that has got so much love for this pinball machine just like me, but has got so many issues with chipping. Okay, so most people are talking about Mirko playfield makes horrendous playfields and they should choose another producer, blah blah blah. So this area over here, it's a high-speed area. We have this steel ball that just flies around and hits this metal pin that's installed over here, and this pin will have chipping issues here. Okay, the same goes on this pin that comes out from JJP without a rubber ring. So that metal ball will hit this metal pin and it will give chipping issues. Now most people are saying it's Mirko, it's the assembly line that tightens the screws too much. Nobody talks about this in any videos or podcast, nothing like that. I'm gonna tell you why we have these issues. This is just so dumb. So look at this. This one. Let me just get it closer here. Now, when you loosen this, I am in shock. When you loosen this, look at this, guys. This is so dumb. How can an engineer do something like this? As you can see, most of this hole is wood, and down at the bottom, it will catch few millimeters here. That's about it. On the 30-year-old Bella Williams machines, when you put these inside here, you have to put pressure on it. Okay, pressure on it and it will stick. It won't move. Look at this. Look at, is it 2 millimeters? If I install this also, we have got maybe 1 millimeter that will have contact at the bottom. So that means with all that high speed ball action over here, this one will move few millimeters every time. And you know what that does to the playfield here? It destroys it. What a fucking idiotic, dumb design from the engineers. I can't believe this. It's so stupid. Look at this. How the fuck can they send shit out like this? How can an engineer make it like this? Look at this. Look at this. I just turned it look at this shit. This will destroy everything. Look at how dumb it's made. If you have an old Bella Williams 30-year-old machine, these posts, they are so tight when you put them in, and they have fully, let me see. There we go. Now listen to this. The washer, when the washer is off, if the washer was on, this was it, and then it just pushes it pushes everything around, and that's why we have got these chipping issues. Down here, this one over here is made a bit better because it has got a nut down here that I just pulled out. As you can see, I removed the nut. The nut is installed here, but the others up top, they have got some of these, and they just catch 1 or 2 millimeter, and that's about it. So nut is removed here, and if you look here, this minimal movement pushes the washer and destroys everything. This is the reason why these playfields are chipping off, guys. I will tell this to Jersey Jack. I will tell them that their designer or designers are idiots, dumb fucks. This is not the first time they produce a game. I can't believe that they just destroy this dream machine of mine. I mean, Eric Minier's masterwork and Slash working with him, and these playfields are just getting destroyed. So stop the production. Okay, stop the production and just make it just like Bally Williams did. Okay? Look at I am so angry about this. If we take a look here, this is Jersey Jack. Bally Williams made them like this. That means this part will go in and have the same, it will have the same thickness of the hole. So it will, as you can see, this is Bally Williams, and when you screw these in Bally Williams style, then it won't move. But look at this, the hole is just too big. I mean, what the hell are they thinking about? So guys, this is the issue. Jersey Jack have to use some of these, make the holes so it fits up here, so the wood will grab on this, okay, unmovable. And then have a washer under here, and then a bolt, so it just sits without moving. I mean, can you believe this? Why has anyone not talked about this? It's so dumb. I mean, let's just install it with the... It's so stupid. 2 millimeters. I mean, yeah, you can tighten it, but no matter how much you tighten this, you can still move it. Can you hear it? I mean, it's so dumb. I mean, I'm not an engineer, nothing like that, but it's so simple to figure this out. I mean, this is just, it's laughable solution, man. Yeah, now it's tightened. Oh, man. Jersey Jack, guys, you have watched my videos. You know that I love this game. You know that I love, what's it called? Pirates of Caribbean. I love your games, but please stop production. You know how Williams made it? Make it just like them. You can fix this, okay? You can fix this. This is an easy fix. Now you know what the problem is. 100%. I don't want to, man, it's so stupid. Yeah, here's the solution, guys. Make it better. Have a great day out there. RetroCengo out.